Hey everyone, today I'm going to fix the flaking tiles on our kitchen home bar. I got this 650 ml floor tile adhesive repair glue to do the job. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Here is it. It's a 650 ml bottle of strong adhesive glue specifically designed for floor tiles, perfect for repairs like this. Now, the labels is in Chinese, so it's a bit hard to understand, but don't worry, I'll break it down for you. This adhesive is waterproof, great for areas like kitchens or bathrooms, strong bonding, it can securely stick tiles back in place, and easy to use, just apply it directly to the surface. Here's the problem area. As you can see, the tile has completely flaked off, and it's been bothering me for a while. But today, we're going to fix it with this adhesive glue. First, I'm applying the adhesive to the surface. Make sure to spread it evenly for a strong bond. Now, I'm pressing the tile back into place. You'll want to hold it for a few seconds to make sure it sticks properly. You can also place something heavy on top to keep it in place while it dries.
A few moments later.
And here's the final result. The tile is securely back in place, and it looks great. This adhesive really works wonders for tile repairs. If you're dealing with a similar issue, I highly recommend this 650 ml floor tile adhesive repair glue. Check out the link in the video description to get yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips and product reviews. See you in the next video.